Well, hi everyone, Mr. Mars here on the West Coast, back with another video. And I know, it's been a long time. It must be 4, 5, I would say, maybe even 6 or 7 weeks. I've been super busy. I've been busy at home, busy at work. I've been sick. I've been off work for a little while as well with that. So, you know, I just haven't had time to do any YouTube videos. But let's face it, I don't really do this for the money, do I? With a grand total of 25 YouTube subscribers, and I lost one as well for not posting enough videos. I presume that's why anyway. But it's Sunday. I've been working hard in the garden today, but I just thought I'd had to tidy up in the workshop. And I thought, well, you know, I'm actually going to start a project, quite an important project I'd say. It's for a good friend of mine who lives in England. Basically, I grew up with this guy. So, Mark, how you doing? I'm going to start your knife for you. So, I'm going to attempt to video it, and maybe you'll see this video down the track. I'm going to use, it's basically a bushcraft knife that I'm going to make. So, I really like this design. It's nothing unusual, but it's just one I designed on the computer. Cut this one out. This one's been rough ground and heat treated. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's been so long ago I'm not sure how successful the heat treating was, so I'm sure I can redo that and make sure this is good for whoever ends up with this, even if it's just my own use. But that one there though is the design I want to copy. I think it's an excellent design. It's sleek, it's got a lot going for it, I reckon. So I'm going to replicate this design. I'm going to make it out of 1084. I've got some piece of 1084 here, and so I've got to be careful with this because it's not that straight, but I will trace the profile of this and get that cut out. I might actually make the blade just a wee bit longer. The handle's fairly long, but I make all my knives good enough for my big hands. So, but I think most guys would enjoy a handle of about that size. Yeah, so let's get on with it.
option of walking away from President Putin. So I believe that Putin's government has to be held accountable for Aleppo, for Ukraine, for interference in the election. But at the same time, right now, even though President Trump has personal, clear affection for Putin, what Putin did for Trump, we have no strategic dialogue with Russia.
Which you did. I mean, you got on quite well with Russia's ambassador.
My wife and I were in the theater, and then, you know...
This is